It's been a good day. I started this morning, and I've just got to go around the top now, but I've done the bathroom. It'll take me, I'd say, an hour to go around the top, and then I'll be doing the floors. It's in a 200 by 200 by 200 tile. So I'll zap this floor, do that floor, that laundry, that toilet, and I'll do this laundry tomorrow. And then I've broken its back. The next day I'll do the niche, a little bit of tidying up, and then I'll start grouting. So another 2 days I'll be out of here. Yo, see ya. Oh no, 2.5. See ya. Bye.